What's up, guys? Today is day 1631 of us living the van life lifestyle. We're a family of three, soon to be four, traveling through the US, and we're currently in Sandy, Utah. This is a day in our lives. Today's going to be an errand day for us. We have a flight to catch tomorrow for our flight back into New York for Rena's next OB appointment. We just got done packing with some of the stuff for tomorrow's flight and already got done with our morning routine and breakfast. So we're gonna head over to the Chinatown of Salt Lake City. We're gonna go pick up some snacks and last minute like food items that we want to bring on the plane, and we'll maybe head over to like Walmart to pick up some stuff there. So running around today. Let me show you guys where we camped last night. This is a really beautiful residential apartment street here. A bunch of cars along this road here. We blended in really well, and the view of the mountains behind me is just really beautiful. Aside from the train that passes here from time to time, it was pretty quiet. We had a pretty good night's sleep. Still want your animal crackers?
Throw everything down.
Yeah, I threw everything down. All right, let's go. We're turning into the Salt Lake City Chinatown Plaza. And head into the supermarket there. This supermarket here is one of the only supermarkets that we found that sells the Korean beef bone broth soup that we really like. Let's see if they have any. We pick some up too. Ooh, it's a dumpling. There's a lot of Asian eateries here, including like Korean street food. There's a bakery here, bubble tea spot, Tiger Sugar is one of Rena's favorite, and a bunch more, even Hot Pot on the other side. Let's grab a shopping cart. If they have the beef soup, then I'm gonna stock up. Do they have it? Oh yeah. All right, let's stock up on a few. You were able to order online, right? At the like an Asian online snack store. What's the name of the website?
Yummy.
Yummy?
Yummy.
Yummy? This is what we came to buy here, the J1 beef bone broth. These are really good. They are $2.29 here at this location. All right, we'll buy a bunch. They've got about 6 packs here, so we'll just pick up whatever they have. We got durian here. How big is this durian? $14 a pound. Yeah, that's very heavy. You want some durian, Spence?
No.
No. All right. There's a gas, the butane. We can probably pick some up maybe when we come back. Spencer really likes udon, so we're gonna get these non-refrigerated udon packages. These are always good to kind of have in the pantry. What is that?
Goose egg. What is it?
Goose egg?
Goose
They're $8 each. Interesting. Never seen goose egg before. Goose egg. Yeah, it's huge compared to it. This also goose egg? What egg
That's
is this?
duck egg.
Duck?
Yeah,
That's
that's
duck.
balut.
Oh,
Okay.
balut. Yeah, the goose egg is huge. I kind of want to try it.
$8.
Yeah, it's very expensive for an egg.
But goose. How often you gonna find a goose to lay eggs for you?
I've never seen it before. Rena's looking for the noodle that she had the other day. The seaweed noodle. Wonder if they have it here. You can buy it online if you can't find it. The
I don't see.
no carb or super low carb noodle alternative. I think that would be a good one for your pregnancy. What did you find, Spence? Wafer? Oh yeah, let's do it. Wafer. Very nice. What kind of snacks do you want, Spence? That's gum. Let's skip the gum. Let's go look for some bag or something. Here. We're done at the supermarket. What else are we gonna get? All right. Alright, I'll put it back. Let me put the stuff back in the van and then we'll see what else we'll buy here at the plaza. Let's pick up some pastry from Bakery Cafe, 85 degrees Celsius. This is a Korean bakery. Ooh, the baba looks really good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, you can go down. Thanks for helping, Spanish. The Hokkaido cheese tart looks pretty good. You want to try one? You want the coconut one? Alright, we're done here at the plaza. But before we go, we're going to pick up some bubble waffle. Yeah, you want bubble waffle? Waffle over at Me Fresh. And of course, Rena's ordering some bubble tea. What'd you get?
Winter melon tea.
Yeah. What are we waiting for?
Waffle.
Waffle.
Winter melon tea.
Whoa.
Kind of like the little taro balls in there, right? Is it good?
It's pretty good. But it's missing the melon jelly.
Can I ask her? She forgot it last time too.
Waffle.
Waffle, that's right.
Waffle. Waffle.
Waffle. I think it's gonna be hot because it just came out. Ooh. Ooh, this looks really good. This is chocolate flavor.
Can you smell the chocolate?
Oh.
It's a little hot, so you gotta take a bite. Is it hot? They do a really good job at this Me Fresh, right, with the waffles. Like even the one in New York doesn't have it that good.
I think it's the maybe they changed the packaging.
Packaging? New York doesn't use the box.
Yeah.
Oh, the one in Edison, they don't use a box.
The cone,
Yeah.
so it soften.
Bite. Chew on it. It's crunchy, isn't it? Ooh. It's got some chocolate inside.
No.
This is like a mochi one or no? It's a little chewy. We're gonna check out this appliance store right here because it looks like they've got the dishwasher that I'm looking for the new van. This is actually the brand that sells the dishwasher. Full tile. It's right here. This one. It's $8.49. The 2-in-1 dishwasher, in-sink dishwasher. Let's check it out. I want to see it in person. Hi. I just want to see the dishwasher, in-sink dishwasher. Is that okay?
Oh, yeah.
Is it this one? Oh, yeah. This is what we're looking for. 开开吗？
可以，我看看啊，接货了，他一会儿就回来。这个是自动打开的，
都自動開㗎，係啊。
对，自动開的。
The boss has gone to pick up the goods.
Oh.
He'll be back soon.
Okay.
This is automatically open.
Okay.
这个是没接电吗？
Oh, okay. 冇插電啊。Okay. This is the same one, yeah. This is the one that we're looking at. Just want to see the
这个是
dimensions
小
of it.
型的这个洗碗機，这个是
都落得好低。It comes
可以。
down here, which is reasonable. And then the sink is just
这个是这个饮水機。
I think the size is pretty good. It's like a pretty reasonable sink size here. And this one is a filter,
这个
right?
跟这个是一套。
Oh, this is like a
他们
water
这个
filter?
对，这个下面
Oh.
地方小，盛不下了。
Uh-huh. So they have a
这个-
water filter here as well.
嗯，
Yeah, this one looks like it has a UV sterilizing and filters as well. This is also a
看它。
faucet here. But I think the size is pretty reasonable here. But I just want to see like this actual size.
见了吗？
Oh, okay.
哦，它自己都打开了。
Yeah.
Two
We
kinds.
have a P3 and P5. P5 you can wash seafood and you can wash fruits in it. P3 just washes dishes.
Yeah, so this is the unit that I've been kind of keeping an eye on, and it looks pretty good. I mean, it's pretty decent size. It's pretty wide, so I want to make sure like this dimension fits the new van. And she's saying that the newer version has like a rack here, which allows you to wash vegetables and fruits and stuff. I don't know if we actually need that function, but that's cool to have. And yeah, it comes down this much into the under cabinets here, and then the sink this is like built in together, and this is like a really decent sized sink as well, so it would be nice to be able to wash dishes here. And whether or not we use the dishwasher all the time to do the full wash, at least it could be used as like a drying rack if necessary. So this is a pretty cool looking unit. I think it'll be a nice luxury item for the van if we end up getting this. Okay, 好，谢谢。Okay. Yeah, I totally wasn't expecting to see the brand for the dishwasher to be located in the Chinatown Plaza here. I mean, it's nice to be able to connect with them and see the unit in person. So now we know kind of the size, what we'll be expecting if we were to buy it, and just see the unit in person. They also got like filters too, like UV filters and reverse osmosis water filters. And Rena was looking at it too. That could be something that we can incorporate into the build too, if we want to just run the drinking water through the filters. I think that might be a good unit to look into as well. Spencer just woke up from his nap. We're gonna go outside. Yeah, we're at a playground here. Let's go outside and play for a little bit. Where's the duck? There is a duck there, look. Look at the ducky. Oh yeah, there's a fish there too. Let's go play. Let's go. Spin, 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 spin. Are you making music? Yeah, like that. Yes. Hi, Spanish. Alright, we're leaving the park now. We're just gonna go pick something up quick over at Chipotle. That's gonna be our dinner for tonight, and then we're gonna look for a spot to camp. This is where we're going to be camping for the night. We got some apartment buildings behind me. It's like a parking area here. It's a pretty decent spot here. We've been here before. Should be a good spot to sleep for the night. My burrito is leaking. It's leaking everywhere. Can we sit down and eat? Yeah. You have this one. You have a quesadilla. Wow. Yeah, 揸住嚟食。你坐低食好嗎？ Chipotle really hits the spot today. Pretty hungry. Alright, we just got done with dinner, and today we're going to keep the video on the shorter side. We didn't really do much except for just running around and just buying a bunch of stuff, getting ready for our flight back to New York. And we're excited to go see our van in New York. I mean, we'll be seeing it for the first time tomorrow, which will be pretty awesome.
I'm gonna set up a play area in the back for Spencer.
For the time being, yeah. Even though we have nothing inside the van. Oh, it's the bench seat.
Yeah, the bench seat.
Yeah, so I don't know if we're gonna be doing anything to the van this time around while we're in New York. I mean, I'm kind of itching to start working on the van. There's still a lot of planning to do before we should actually start on it.
We can start measuring. I mean, put the painter tape.
Painter's tape, yeah.
To check.
Yeah, we have a layout already in mind on how we want to build a van, and there's still a lot of unknowns because we're not 100% certain on some things, like for example the heating system. Propane we're still kind of up in the air. If we get enough of a battery system, then we might be able to skip out propane altogether. And we're actually looking into adding a second alternator, a high output alternator, which I'll talk about in a future video. I think that's going to be a game changer for like charging up the entire battery bank super fast. So that's something that I'm looking into. Another thing that we're kind of depending on is like the floor heating and which system we're going to use and how to get that install going, because you can't really start and do a bunch of stuff without first like setting up, making sure the flooring is all done. And what else? Oh, another big element that we're planning around is like the bed lift, which system we're going to use. So we're kind of still exploring the options there. What else? Water system setup, yes. We're thinking about adding like over the wheel well water tank, which is like they only make up to what 33 gallon, and
36 39, but that is for like Pro Master.
Okay, so 33 gallon. I mean, it's less than what we have here. We have 40 here. So we're exploring another option of adding a second freshwater tank under the van area so that we can have like 50 something gallon. But that might only be like seasonally you can use it, because once it freezes, then we won't be able to access that water down there. So we're kind of just playing around in our heads, different ideas. We can kind of optimize the layout. Pretty exciting stuff. Still a lot of planning to do, and I want to share with you guys like a
Pterodactyl. Unfinished pterodactyl.
I was gonna say I want to share with you guys like the layout of how we want to build the entire van. I know we talked about some elements of it, but yeah, I want to share with you guys exactly how we plan on putting everything. The dishwasher that we looked at today, that's like probably going to be we're going to be building our van surrounding some of those elements, like the dishwasher, the jacks for the elevator bed, and yeah. So stay tuned for our trip back to New York, and we'll do a lot more talking about the van once we get back, and I'm excited to show you guys what van we got when we see it in person. So tomorrow we're going to have our flight back to New York. If you guys want to keep watching, hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new video comes out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that can spread out to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.
Pterodactyl without the wing. Can you say bye-bye so we can watch George?
Ooh.
Bye-bye.
Can you say thank you for watching? Go lại mong, go lại sit. Come on, get everybody a proper thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Aya.
Yeah, you threw some food on the bed.
Throw it on the bed.
I can't wait till we have a dedicated
Eating
eating area so that food is not all over our bed, which is what's happening now. He's like throwing food everywhere.
You throw everything.
Okay, that's it. See you soon. Bye-bye.